Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the Sulkowskys Morpho in Heartopia. So this butterfly is one of the beautiful butterfly in Heartopia, and then I think it's unique. And to catch it, it also need the unique technique. In here you can catch it with the Inflatable Insect Attractor specialty. So you must use the inflatable insect attractor when you want to catch this butterfly. So it's bounce all time and all weather. So to catch it, first you just need to go to the area that has many insects found. In here, I go to the spirit oak pine forest. That in here in this area, it has many insects spawns like this. It has many insects, and then after that just use the inflatable. That in here you need the inflatable insect attractor that you can buy it from the NPC Naniwa. This one, just purchase any inflatable insect attractor, but just keep in mind this attractor only unlock when you reach hobby, the insect catching hobby level level 4. This one it's only unlocked when you reach level 4. And then after that just use the inflatable insect attractor at this spirit oak pine forest like this. And then next just catch the insect like usual. In here I want to use the sense booster too to make it more easily. This. Just catch the insect like usual until you get the notifications about the Sulkowsky. And then in here you can catch this Sulkowsky, this one. You can see it. And okay, that's it. So when you want to catch this Sulkowsky Morpho, just use the insect attractor. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.